This farm that I'm at today is a 17th century abandoned farm in Norfolk. It has been abandoned for decades, and local kids and just other people really have just come in and destroyed it. Now, apparently the roof fell in somewhere between 2014 and 2016, because it used to have an upstairs, and it used to be like, you used to be able to go upstairs and have a look round. The barn is a grade 2 listed barn. It's currently owned by a developer who bought the land, but it doesn't look like anything's going to happen to it. And yeah, there's not much history on this place really. So as I looked around, I actually really enjoyed looking around here. It's quite an easy explore, no real trouble. Apparently the land's also used for shooting quite often, so if you do go, make sure you don't go in the shooting times. And yeah, just hope you enjoyed this video. Please hit the like button, please subscribe. Today you join me and the boy Sam.
What's up?
And we are going to this abandoned farm. We got to walk through this. All of this just to get there. Wish us luck. Go and subscribe. Well, subscribe. Go and like follow his Instagram. Sam.
Fam.
Sam Fam.
It's always Sam. Yeah, Sam Fam.
_ V50. There you go.
Nice.
I know it now.
Nice. V50.
V50 in it.
Nice 96 no. 96.
Oh, Sam Fam 96. There we go. I was close. Right, let's go through this jungle. See the stuff we do to bring you content. This is pretty mental. And here are the grounds. Right, I'm off to find Sam. He's left me whilst I was sorting out my camera. Here he is. What's in there?
A pigeon.
A pigeon. Oh. Let's go have a look then. So, since I've last seen people here, this has become very, very overgrown. Like, massively overgrown. But again, the grass down here looks like it's been tread on recently. Can you go in? Is there room in? Seems to be. Oh yeah. Here we go.
Hell yeah, man.
So down here, just got some old farming equipment really. I like that. That's pretty cool, that skull. It's standing up pretty well as well, apart from that part. Oh, I like that as well. You can't see it that clearly on here, but there's like a little eye, and it looks like Mike Wazowski's eye, Monsters Inc. So, yeah. This is The Lost Farm of Norfolk. That is the name of this title of the video. I hope you enjoy it. So this like whole barn is thatch roofed, which leads me to believe that they may have just kept like farming equipment in this one. And we also have the drone up above, right up here. But we're gonna have a look around the rest of the farm soon as well and just see what's around. This is only a little explore because we're gonna go to the beach after this and actually like go maybe see some seals, or just try and find some anyway. Because I haven't been to the beach since Greece and I miss the beach. So whilst we're walking along, we've got some old farming equipment here. Some wheels on this beam of metal. I'm guessing horses would have pulled this, or maybe a tractor, depending on how old this farm is. So me and Sam are walking into like another barn. And like I said to you earlier, there's a water tank in here still. Oh, here. There you go. There's still a water tank in here. And it's still got the pipes attached to it. And yeah. And I imagine this is like, used to have water in it. And they used to give it to the animals, or like...
Trough of some kind.
Yeah, some sort of trough. So I don't know if there was actually animals living in this one, but that's why I like coming to like places like this, because you don't know what you're going to find really, at all. It's just interesting. Here comes the action shot of Sam coming out. Duh, 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 duh.
Not that dramatic.
Oh. So that's inside another little barn, and now we're going to walk around, see if we can either get in the house or just get as close to the house as we can. But as you're walking around the house, you will see up here, there you go, these are the chimneys. One's got loads and loads of like tree growing over it, and the other one, it's got loads of tiles like smashed. There is a way in.
The sign, mate.
Oh, what sign?
Oi, mate, you seen the sign?
Mate. Sign says, warning to public, this building site is private property.
So no entry, alright?
Yeah, fam. Sam fam. Got all the old like coat hangers that I want to see. Pretty cool. So in here, just old rooms. Got an old fireplace. So, as you can see, the rest of this house is just in ruins, but I'll try and possibly get out. But I don't really know what I'm standing on. Here we go. So, that's the house. with just the walls left. It looked like it had a fire here. You can tell by that. It's all burnt black. It's just a shame that this place has gone like this, because it would have been so nice to see it. Like, really nice to have seen it. What are your thoughts, Sam?
I'd give it a thumb.
You give it a thumbs up.
Like, you should give a thumb to this video.
Look at that,
I'm here all
smooth.
day, alright?
Smooth, thanks, Sam.
I'll see myself out.
Yeah, see you later.